Hello everyone. Today we'll see how we can reset the Asus PhonePad 7 to its factory settings. By factory settings, we mean here that the device will be exactly same as your new device which comes out of the box, just like device which you just bought from the retail shop and you are opening it, right? So uh, by factory setting this device or resetting this device, basically it will erase everything which you have on this device, including your documents, data, then music, photographs, the applications which you have installed apart from the default applications, right? So after resetting the device, the device will be just like a new device with default applications, and you need to set it up again, right? Like you need to input your email address, set up Google accounts again, just like a new device or tablet, right? So we'll go ahead and see how we can reset this device. For resetting the device, we just need to go to settings, right? You can go to settings by going to the navigation notification center and just going to this setting tab. Here you'll see the setting is here. Just a minute, I'll try to focus the device a bit, right? Then we can proceed. Yeah, here you can see this, we have arrived at the settings page. Another way to arrive at the setting page is to tap here and then you'll find the settings here, where it is. Sorry, it seems we need to go to settings from that only, right? Here it is, settings, and then after, just navigate to backup and reset button here, right? Hopefully you can see that backup and reset tab. Just click on it. You'll presented with a screen which will show you the details, right? Here it is. On the last option here, you'll see a factory data reset option is there, right? You just need to select this factory data reset. Keep in mind that everything you have on this device will be deleted and you cannot restore it by any means, right? As you can see here, it tells you that erase internal storage, erases which all the data on the internal storage such as music or photos. If you want, you can choose to deselect it, but I'm not sure how much of your data remains if you, even if you deselect this option. The best option, even though, is to select this and erase everything, so that you get a device just like a new one, right? We'll select this erase internal storage also and click on the reset tablet, but here, right? Here it is. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a reset tablet button. We just selected it. It will ask you for confirmation. At the moment, it is asking for a passcode which is given here 2679. This passcode may be different for different tablets. It's just like a capture kind of thing, so that you do not erase everything accidentally, right? I just type the code and I'll just click on erase everything, right? It will now just power off and the device will start resetting, right? As you can see, the device is rebooted. Here it is, the device is rebooted into recovery mode, and as you can see here, erasing the device is shown, right? It will take few seconds, maybe maximum of 30 seconds, depending on your device. Here it reboots again and your device is resetted back to factory settings, right? It will take some time to reboot. So While this whole process is going on, do not try to do anything on the device. Just keep waiting, even though if it is taking more time than you think it is, and the device will be rebooted back with your factory setting just like a new tablet. Let's see how much time it takes for the reboot. As the it's the first reboot, you can say, it will take some time, right? As you can see, we have got the welcome screen. You can select your language and just set up on this tablet just like a new one, right? So that's it. In this way you can reset your device back to factory settings. That is Asus PhonePad 7. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.